Welcome to a journey into the heart of timeless design, where your Japanese garden can reflect the rhythms of nature across every season. Imagine stepping outside to see blossoms in spring, lush greenery in summer, fiery colors in autumn, and peaceful silhouettes in winter. The harmony of seasonal changes becomes a story told through plants, stones, and water. Japanese garden seasons invite you to pause and experience each moment deeply, not rushing time, but honoring its flow. In this video, we'll explore Japanese landscaping tips that help you design a space with year-round beauty. From choosing plants to arranging stones, every detail contributes to a garden that is never static, always alive, and forever evolving with the passage of time. In spring, the Japanese garden awakens. Cherry blossoms, camellias, and azaleas bloom with delicate hues that welcome renewal. These blooms mark one of the most iconic Japanese garden seasons, offering a canvas of pink and white against deep green pines. Seasonal changes in spring are a reminder of impermanence, beauty that flourishes, then fades. To capture this spirit, choose flowering shrubs that complement your space and frame your pathways. Japanese landscaping tips suggest planting early bloomers close to seeding areas so you can savor their fragrance and fleeting charm. By weaving blossoms into your design, you create a spring oasis that signals rebirth while preparing the garden's transition into the lush warmth of summer. As summer approaches, your Japanese garden shifts into fullness. The bright greens of maples, bamboos, and mosses take center stage, filling the garden with vibrancy. This season embodies resilience and growth, balancing the fragile blossoms of spring with enduring life. Seasonal changes highlight the play of light and shadow as sunlight filters through dense leaves. To enhance year-round beauty, consider water elements, such as a reflective pond or a bamboo fountain. Japanese landscaping tips often recommend layering shades of green to create depth and serenity. In summer, gardens provide cool refuge from the heat, where the sound of running water and rustling leaves remind you that tranquility can thrive even in nature's busiest season. Autumn transforms your Japanese garden into a fiery canvas. Scarlet maples, golden ginkgo trees, and russet grasses bring drama and depth to your landscape. Seasonal changes in fall create a rich tapestry of color, symbolizing harvest and transition. This is one of the most cherished Japanese garden seasons, admired for its fleeting brilliance. To highlight autumn, place maples near reflective water surfaces where their fiery tones double in intensity. Japanese landscaping tips suggest balancing bold colors with evergreens for harmony. By adding lanterns or stone arrangements, you frame this seasonal beauty in timeless elegance. Autumn is the season of reflection, when your garden becomes both a feast for the eyes and a mirror for the soul. Winter invites stillness and simplicity. Your Japanese garden, now stripped of lush leaves, reveals its bones, stones, lanterns, and water basins. Seasonal changes remind us that beauty lies not only in abundance, but also in restraint. Snow resting on evergreens, bare branches against gray skies, and frosted moss all speak of quiet elegance. Japanese garden seasons embrace this pause, allowing contemplation in silence. For year-round beauty, plant pines and camellias, which provide structure and color in the cold months. Japanese landscaping tips encourage designing with winter in mind, creating focal points through rocks and evergreens that remain constant when other elements retreat. Winter teaches us to value stillness, making your garden a sanctuary of calm. Creating year-round beauty in your Japanese garden begins with thoughtful plant selection. Seasonal changes demand variety: blossoms in spring, lush greens in summer, fiery leaves in fall, and evergreens in winter. To achieve balance, select plants that offer interest across multiple seasons. Japanese garden seasons thrive when trees like maples, pines, and cherry blossoms are combined with shrubs like azaleas and camellias. Japanese landscaping tips emphasize layering heights, ground covers, mid-level shrubs, and tall trees to create harmony and depth. This layering ensures that no matter the season, your garden feels complete and alive. Every plant becomes a chapter in a story, unfolding in rhythm with nature's eternal cycle.
Water features enhance seasonal changes in profound ways. In spring, a stream reflects blossoms drifting gently on its surface. In summer, water cools the air, offering refuge from heat. Autumn's colors shimmer when mirrored in still ponds, while winter's ice adds striking geometry. Japanese garden seasons revolve around these shifts, with water tying them all together. To create year-round beauty, incorporate a koi pond, bamboo fountain, or simple basin. Japanese landscaping tips suggest positioning water where it captures light and reflects surrounding elements. The sound and sight of water add timeless calm, reminding us that life flows continuously, even as the seasons transform the landscape around us.
Stone elements provide permanence within the ever-changing rhythm of nature. Seasonal changes highlight their importance. Moss-covered stones glow in spring rains. Stones gleam under summer sun, contrast autumn leaves, and stand stark against winter snow. Japanese garden seasons find grounding in stone lanterns, stepping paths, and weathered boulders. These features frame the garden, reminding us that beauty can be both fleeting and eternal. For year-round beauty, arrange stones asymmetrically, echoing nature's randomness. Japanese landscaping tips suggest combining large anchor stones with smaller companions to achieve balance. Stones are the silent storytellers of your garden, unchanged yet transformed by the seasons that pass around them. Pathways guide not only your steps, but also your experience of seasonal changes. Pebbled walkways framed by moss, stepping stones across streams, and meandering paths through maples shape how you encounter Japanese garden seasons. In spring, paths lined with blossoms invite celebration. In autumn, they lead you through fiery canopies. For year-round beauty, pathways should blend naturally into the landscape, never overpowering but always guiding. Japanese landscaping tips recommend irregular shapes and organic layouts to encourage mindful movement. Walking these paths allows you to witness seasonal transitions intimately, turning each step into a moment of reflection on nature's shifting rhythms. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art of creating seasonal beauty in your Japanese garden. We have explored how seasonal changes shape the garden's soul through spring blossoms, summer greens, autumn colors, and winter stillness. Japanese garden seasons remind us of life's impermanence, while Japanese landscaping tips guide us toward balance and harmony. With mindful design, your garden can offer year-round beauty, a sanctuary that evolves with time, yet always remains a source of peace. If you found inspiration here, please subscribe to our channel for more serene guides on garden design. Until next time, may your garden bring tranquility in every season.